Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we will talk about making new friends. Meeting new people can be very exciting for you. First, you should always smile and say hello. A friendly smile makes other people feel very comfortable. You can start a conversation with a simple greeting. For example, you can say, "Hi, how are you?" Another good option is, "Hello, nice to meet you." These short phrases open doors to many great conversations. It is important to speak clearly and very slowly. Do not worry about making small grammar mistakes today. Most people are friendly and want to understand you. Look at the person when you speak to them. This shows that you are interested in the talk. You can introduce yourself with your name right away. Try saying, "My name is Anna. What is yours?" This gives the other person a chance to speak. It is a wonderful way to begin a friendship. Remember to keep your voice calm and very pleasant. You can also comment on the beautiful weather outside. For instance, say, "It is a lovely sunny day." Weather is always a safe topic for new people. Everyone likes to talk about the warm sunshine today. You are doing a fantastic job with your practice. Let us move to the next part of making friends. We will learn how to ask simple personal questions. Questions help you learn more about your new acquaintance. Listen carefully to the examples in the next scene. You can repeat these phrases after me at home. Let us explore the best questions for new friends. Asking questions is the best way to show interest. People love to talk about themselves and their lives. You can ask, "Where are you from, my friend?" This question helps you find out about their country. Another great question is, "What do you do here?" They might be a student or work nearby today. You can also ask about their current living place. Try this phrase, "Do you live near this area?" It is interesting to know about their favorite places. You can ask, "How long have you lived here?" This helps you understand their experience in the city. Remember to listen to their answers with great attention. Nod your head to show that you understand them. You can say, "That is very interesting. Tell me more." This encourages the person to continue their wonderful story. Do not ask questions that are too personal yet. Avoid questions about money, age, or difficult political topics. Keep the conversation light, easy, and very friendly instead. You want to make a good first impression here. Ask them, "What brings you to this beautiful event?" It is a perfect question for parties or conferences. You can learn about their goals and their plans. Practice these simple questions with your classmates or family. They will help you feel more confident every day. Confidence is key when you speak a foreign language. Let us think about what else we can ask. Hobbies are always an excellent topic for small talk. In the next scene, we will discuss free time. Get ready to talk about the things you love. Let us learn how to share our personal interests. Friends usually share some common hobbies and favorite activities. It is easy to connect when you like similar things. You can ask, "What do you do for fun?" This is a very popular question in English conversations. You can also ask, "Do you like playing sports?" Many people enjoy football, tennis, or running in parks. Another good question is, "What music do you like?" Music is a universal language that connects all people. You can share your own favorite music bands too. Say, "I love listening to rock music very much." Or you can say, "I prefer pop music instead." If you like movies, ask about their favorite films. Use this phrase, "Have you seen any good movies?" You can talk about popular actors or new cinema releases. If they like a movie, say, "I love that film too." This creates an immediate connection between the two of you. You can also talk about reading books or cooking. Ask them, do you enjoy cooking delicious international food? Maybe you can share some great recipes with each other. It is wonderful to find things you both enjoy doing. You can say, we have many similar interests, I see. This makes the conversation warmer and much more exciting. Do not be afraid if you have different hobbies. It is also interesting to learn about something new. You can ask them to explain their unique hobby. Say, that sounds interesting. Can you explain it, please? People love teaching others about their favorite weekend activities. Next, we will learn how to give nice compliments. Compliments make people feel happy and very appreciated. Let us see how to praise your new friend. A kind compliment can make someone's day much better. It shows that you notice and appreciate good things. You can praise their clothes or their beautiful style. Try saying, I really like your beautiful jacket today. Or you can say, your shoes look very comfortable. People feel good when you notice their nice appearance. You can also compliment their excellent English speaking skills. Say, you speak English very well, my dear friend. They will smile and feel much more confident inside. How should you respond when someone compliments your style? Always say a polite thank you with a smile. For example, say, thank you, that is very kind. You can also say, I am glad you like it. Never argue with a nice compliment from a friend. Just accept the kind words with a happy heart. You can praise their great ideas during the conversation. Say, that is a wonderful idea. I agree completely. It shows that you respect their thoughts and opinions. You can also compliment their warm and friendly personality. Try this. You are a very easy person to talk to. This is a very big compliment for anyone here. It means they're doing a great job speaking. Making people feel special is a great friendship skill. Practice giving one nice compliment to someone every day. You will see how fast people become your friends. In the next part, we will make future plans. Good conversations should lead to meeting again sometime soon. Let us look at phrases for invitations and plans. These phrases will help you keep your new friends. Learn how to invite people for hot coffee. If you like the person, invite them out sometime. Do not let the great connection end right there. You can suggest having a drink together next week. Ask them, would you like to get a coffee? This is an informal and very relaxed invitation phrase. You can also say, let us have lunch together soon. Lunch is a great option for a busy day. If they're busy, ask about their free days. Try asking, are you free this coming Saturday afternoon? Saturday is usually a wonderful time for meeting friends. They might say, yes, I would love to go. If they're busy, they will suggest another day. Do not feel bad if they cannot make it. People often have many personal things to do weekly. You can say, no problem. Maybe another time then. This keeps the door open for future meeting. If they agree, you need to exchange contact information. You can ask for their personal phone number directly. Say, can I have your phone number, please? Or you can connect on popular social media networks. Ask them, are you on Instagram or Facebook official? Sharing social media is very common among young people. It is a safe way to stay in touch. You can send them a friendly message later that day. Say, it was great talking to you today, friend. This confirms that you want to stay in contact. Planning ahead shows that you are a reliable person. The next scene will be about saying a warm goodbye. Saying goodbye correctly is important for a good ending. Let us practice the final phrases of our podcast. Every good conversation must come to an end eventually. You need to say goodbye in a friendly way. Do not just walk away without saying something polite. You can say, I have to go look for my sister. Give a clear reason why you must leave them. Then say, it was wonderful spending time with you. This leaves a very positive feeling with the person. Another classic option is, have a nice day ahead. You can also say, see you next week, friend. These phrases are polite, simple, and very easy to remember. Let us review the main points of our podcast. First, smile and greet the person with confidence today. Second, ask simple questions about their life and background. Third, find common hobbies like music or sports activities. Fourth, give honest compliments to make them feel special. Fifth, make plans to meet for a hot coffee. Finally, say goodbye with a big, warm, friendly smile. Making friends in English is not as hard as you think. You just need to practice these sentences every week. Believe in yourself and your excellent language skills today. Every expert speaker started as a complete beginner once. You are making wonderful progress with your English lessons. Thank you for listening to my educational audio podcast. I hope these tips help you find amazing friends. Share this helpful audio lesson with your student friends. Keep practicing your English every single day without fail. You can write these sentences down in your notebook. Goodbye for now. Take care of yourselves, everyone. See you in the next exciting English learning episode. Have a beautiful time practicing your social English skills.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.